Currently centered over the U.S. and British Virgin Islands and now affecting Puerto Rico as well, Hurricane Irma is a dangerous Category 5 hurricane, packing 185-mile-per-hour sustained winds. Irma is currently located at 18.2 degrees north latitude, 64.0 degrees west longitude. Warnings are out for the northern coast of Hispaniola, including both the Dominican Republic and Haiti, as well as portions of the Bahamas. The projected track of Irma is now showing a potential landfall in South Florida, then moving northward through the state. Persons in the affected area should consult local news media sources for more information.